Jesus, I hope you can all hear me. Okay, so number two, they are mostly covalent. They are covalent in nature. They're covalent in nature. Number three, they have low melting and boiling point. I mean, if you have been in my class before, low melting and boiling point the stuff getting down. Okay, yeah, low melting and boiling point. Yeah, bring it back to the low. So if you have been in my class before, and I've probably have once in a while teach you about chemical bonding. That's a chemical combination. One of the unique characteristics of covalent compounds that what Okay. I hope you guys have been hearing me all this while. Okay, so at some point you don't do this again. However, don't feel sad or bad if you're not good at naming yet. Kindly use this formula for now till you get so good at it. You're going to draft it out again. Okay, is the mic okay now? I think it's the battery of my. Is it okay now? Hmm? Is it okay? Is it okay now? Please, I need a response, please. Okay, it's okay now, right? Thank you so much. I think we can resume then. Okay, I just want to have responded. So please, I need more response if it's okay, please. Okay. I need more response, please, if it's okay. Oh God, drop more response, please. Yeah, it's now okay. Okay, I think somebody responded. Okay, so let's continue, guys. I think it's okay now. Why did I stop? I was explaining roots, right? Um, Come in, please. Okay, somebody has responded again. Good. Okay, good. Thank you so much. Thank you. Thank you. So that's great then. Okay, good. Let's fly now. Are we good to go? Are we good to go? Okay. Okay. So I think I stopped at roots, right? Hopefully we cover enough. We cover enough before our time elapses. So PRS, we're on roots. So the first rule here, if you're writing, please jot it down once again. If you're just joining us, do well to like subscribe, pick your pen, and then let's fly. Let's get something learned today. So the first rule here is what? Select the longest carbon or parent chain, and it must contain functional group if present. Do you understand now? So what's the carbon chain? Something like this. It can go like this. It can go downward. Hope it's showing. It can go downward. It can go upward. It can go any way it wishes. It can go like this. It doesn't matter. Though, of course, these are not the way it is being drawn in the real advanced organic chemistry level. But for the secondary school cases, they want to just make you understand and see if it's okay or not. So they can draw it any way they want to draw it. It doesn't matter. Just make sure it's a chain. These are the core chain. It's connected. So what's our root here? Our longest carbon chain. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So it's what is 5. And it must contain a functional group if present. And then what is 5 in organic chemistry? 5 is what? Pent. So our root will be what? Will be pent. I hope we're following. Then under what is it called? Then after we are done with this now, after we're done with the roots, the next thing here, I hope we're written that. The suffix now. So the suffix is the functional group. The functional group. Which is also what? The family name. Which is the family name. Are we getting something here? The functional group, which is the family name. So after we have identified a compound like this, look at this compound here. Is it clear? Or let me, you know what? Let me just rub off everything on the board, and then we just start afresh so that things can be clear. I think some people are here already. Let me rub off everything on the board. So we're using PRS, right? Good. So let's look at this compound like this. Yeah. And yeah. Right? Let's look at it like this. Good. So that's perfect. And then we have what is it called? H here. We have H here. We have H here. We have CL. Now let's leave it this way. We have CL. We have CH3. We have H here. And we have H here. And we have H here, H here, H here. So we want to use PRS to name this compound, right? I hope it's clear. Is it clear enough there? Good. Now, so we said our root is what? We said our root is what? Our root is our longest carbon chain, which is the first thing to identify when you're naming. Longest carbon chain. So the first thing is to what? Is to identify our longest carbon chain, which is our root. Are we getting something here? Now, after we're done with our roots now, is what? Is to find our suffix, our S, our suffix. And what is our suffix? We say our suffix is what? Our functional group, which carries what? Which carries the family name. Our functional group, which carries the family name. Sorry, where's my? Okay, thank you so much. Prefix, root, suffix. Prefix, root, suffix. Good. So, how do we know this family name? I'm going to create a slide and send to you guys, probably upload it later on. Now, this is just it. We have so many families in organic compounds, in organic chemistry, organic compounds. So many families of organic compounds. And we have the likes of alkane. We have the likes of alkene. We have the likes of alkyne. We have the likes of alkanol. We have alkanoic. We have alkanoate. We have aldehyde. We have ketones, that's aldehyde and ketones, that's alkanal, alkanone. We have amine, we have amide, we have cyano, that's cyanide. We have ethers, we have them like that. Are we getting something here? So each of all these families have a functional group, something that represents them. So when you see the functional group, if you just figure out the family name. It's like, it's like, let's say, what is it called? Whiskey family, are good in singing. So if somebody can sing, we just know from what? Whiskey. So if your name is Nelson and the family name is Whiskey, so what are we calling you? Nelson Whiskey. And let's say you just know your the Bolt family, they are good runners, they're athletic. So if I say you can run, I would be like, okay, hello bro, are you from the Bolt family? You say, well, yeah, I'm from the Bolt. How do you know? Because you can run. So the running is their functional group. So if the person's name is Tokpe and the person can run out what? Tokpe Boat. The person's name is Muhammadu, that will be Muhammadu Boat, the family name. Are we getting something here? So every family here has a functional group. Every family has a functional group. All I just need to know, see if I can figure out the functional group, and I know this is from this family, and I put the family names. Now, for this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 family I give you, I will tell you the functional group this night. Now, the functional group of alkanes, they don't have a functional group per se. So, why for that of alkene, it is double bond. For alkyne, it is triple bond. For alkanol, it is OH. For alkanoic, it is COOH. For alkanoate, it is COO. So if I can figure out the functional group, I can basically tell the family the guy comes from. Are we following something here? Thanks once again. Welcome to Nelson Learning Space. And believe me, it's all about learning. Chemistry, biology, physics, mathematics, business, and even leadership. It's all about learning here. Learning and learning till we grow and grow, become better each day. So now, suffix. Let's go back again. Root is what? Finding the longest carbon chain, the parent chain. And what is it called? And must contain the functional group if present. Suffix is what? Suffix is what? Is finding the functional group which becomes the family name. Now let's look at this thing here. We have a compound here, right? Can you go up here? Is it clear? Something here? Yeah, thank you. Let's fly. Today we're going to learn something. Believe me. PRS. Yeah, so what's the root here? Check it out, guys. It goes like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's the longest. If I go like this, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It's the same thing. If I go like this, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 5 is the longest, right? 5. And what is 5? Pent. 5 is what? Pent. So our root is what? Pent. Now, fellas, look at this compound very, very well. Look at it very, very well. Can we see it clearly? Is it clear? Okay, I think it's clear enough. If it's clear, whoa, shit, this thing, yeah, please not confusing you guys. So if it's clear enough, can you see any functional group here? Can we see any functional group? I think I can see one, which is this guy. This double bond, yeah? I can see it. That's the functional group. And if the functional group here is double bond, and then the family name is what? In. So I've gotten my R, I've gotten my S. Next to find is what? My P. Are we following here? I hope we're getting it. Good. So now, what is P? P is prefix. And what does prefix means? Prefix means substituent. Some people call it substituent. Some people call it attachment. Others call it branch. All I know is P is P. And I don't give a damn about which one you know it as. All I care for is you being able to name. So substituent, attachment, branch is prefix. Let's take it over and over again. Root, longest carbon chain, longest parent chain. S, functional group, family name. P, prefix, which means what? Substituent or attachment. If you look at this compound here, is it clear enough? This is the root, right? The longest carbon chain. So everything that is not on this line is a branch. Everything that's not on this line is a branch, apart from the hydrogen. So starting from here, this guy is a branch, CH3. Cl here is a branch. There's no other branch again. This is hydrogen, 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 hydrogen. There's no other branch again. Everything here is a branch. Sorry, these two guys here are branches. Are we following something here? A moment, please. Okay, let's continue. So we have two branches here, right? Are we following something here? So now, these two branches now, the nice thing now is to name them. Right? Is to what? Name them. And I think if you have been with my class already, you must have known what these two branches are. Let's write it out though. This one is chlorine, right? In this case, they call it chloro. And then this one is what? CH3 is called methyl. Probably in future classes, I think I have to go back to organic chemistry A1, where we teach you guys what all these things are. But today is just about naming. Chloro and methyl. So we have gotten our prefix chloro and methyl, our root pent, our suffix in. Now the thing here is how to join all these things together to form a full compound. Is that it? Good. No, yes, thank you. So how to join all these three things together to form a full name is the thing here. So but there's something again, you have written it rule number 1. I say what? Select the longest carbon chain or parent chain, and it must contain the functional group if present. Now, rule number 2, identify the functional group which carries the family name. Rule number 2, identify the functional group which carries the family name. Rule number 3, identify and name all your substituents. Rule number 3, identify and name all your substituents. Now, rule number 4 is number the chain, number it 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, or 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Number the chain. Number the chain. Have you written those rules? I think the board is not showing fully, please. I just to the back a bit. Is it showing fully now? Are you sure? Okay. So rule number let's take it once again. Rule number one, select the longest carbon chain or the parent chain and must contain the functional group if present. And then rule number two, identify identify a functional group which carries the family name. Rule number three, identify and name all your substituents. Then rule number four, number the chain. Rule number five, assign numbers to your constituent to your substituent. Sorry, who said no, he's not picking it? I should go again. Okay, let's take it one last time now, please. One last time. Rule number one, select the longest carbon chain or parent chain and must contain the functional group if present. Rule number two, identify the functional group in a chain which carries the family name. Rule number three, identify and name all your substituents. Rule number four, number the chain. Rule number five, assign numbers to your substituents based on the lowest possible sum. Assign numbers to your substituents based on the lowest possible sum. The next rule is arrange your substituents alphabetically. Those are the rules. So now, I think we have done the first one. We have done the second one and the third one. So let's join this together. Let's number the chain now. How do you, what is it called? How do you number? Rules of numbering is like this. Rules of numbering is like this. Sorry. Hey, is it okay? Sorry. There are rules of numbering, but I really don't want to rub off the board. I hope we have like all gotten it right because I want to write the rules of numbering now. This one is rule of naming. Now let me give you the rules of numbering. I want to wrap it off now, please. Rules of numbering is like this. Okay, yeah. So rules of numbering is like this. Number one, there are three rules. You number from the chain that is nearest to substituents. Let me come down and explain something to you guys. You see this issue of numbering, even in the advanced OChem, is that it's not about just numbering. In organic chemistry, there's what we call priority. Like, as we go deeper into organic chemistry in this our module, you understand better. So what we call priority, not just for numbering's sake, for just in an identification in organic chemistry. So this priority now works here too. Are you getting something here? The three rules of numbering. The first one is strong, second one is stronger, and third one is the strongest due to the priority sake. If you are numbering, number from the chain that is nearest to the substituent. That means, look at it like this. If you are numbering from here to be what? 1, 2. The substituent is what? On number 2. My number from here is 1, 2, 3, 4. Substituent is on what? On number 4. So we number from the west side or the east side. You number from the west because it's nearest to the substituent. Is it clear? Are you sure? Good, sorry. Okay. So you know from the west side and not the east side. Are you getting something here? Because that's what the first rule says. Number from the chain that is nearest to the subsequent. I think the subsequent is here now or here. It's not from where? From this side. Then rule number 2 for numbering. Number from the most congested area. Number from the most congested area. Now, what does this one implies? This one basically implies that imagine you have a chlorine here, you also have a chlorine here, which means they are both on 2. Like there's a chlorine here, there's a chlorine here. They are both on number 2 carbon. And then you have 2 chlorine here, 2 chlorine here, 1 chlorine. Or let's say you have 1 chlorine here, you have 2 chlorine here. On the east side, you have 2 chlorine here, you have 1 chlorine here. They are both on number 2. They are both on number 2. Just like this one has 2, this one has 1. What is the number from? Number from the most congested area where there is a more substituent. Do you get now? Not from there. And the last rule and the strongest rule is what? Number from the functional group area. Because number from the functional group area, from the functional group area. I don't know. My writing is beautifully ugly though. So I don't know, with camera, can they see it? You're not putting camera on it. Why did I use green? Can you guys see it? Sorry, pardon me. So number from the what? Functional group area. Are we following something here? Are you following something here? So number from the what? The functional group area. Meaning, it doesn't matter if it is congested. It doesn't matter if this functional, if this branch are closer. It doesn't matter. You have to choose what? Functional group. That is what I was explaining earlier. The priority. There are three major kind of substituents. We have the alkyl group and the halo group. Or let's say yes, the halo group and the alkyl group. The halo and alkyl. And what are the halo group? The likes of chlorine, fluorine, bromine, and for the alkyl group, the likes of what? CH3, C2H5. They're the first one. And then we have functional group. These are the 3 kind of what is it called? The functional group. Functional group are what? Like the COOH. Is it clear? Are you sure? Is it showing here too? Okay, COH, the OH, and the COO and the likes. I'm getting something here. So they are functional group. So it doesn't matter whether they are 50 here. This one is a priority. They are the first priority, followed by this bond. Then followed by these guys. So COH, OH, COO, they are strong. Priority number 1. Double bond, triple bond, priority number 2. Then all this will now come last. So I hope you get what is it called? The rules of numbering now. So after you understand this, remember the alphabetical order, meaning you have to like consider A, B, C, D when I name it. I hope you are good. I'm going to give us a minute to write everything out. Then I'm going to like name this compound. Then we'll take samples, 2 or 3 samples. Then we'll close for the day. So I want to wrap up this place. Depending when you guys write it, please put the camera here so they can write what is here. Okay. So I want to wrap up the whole of the board now, like everything completely. So we'll name this one and then we'll do like 2 or 3 samples. And that is that for today. I think how many more minutes do you have? I think we have 15 more minutes, right? Yeah, 15 more minutes. Don't forget, I'm going to give you assignments and you must do it. You must do it. You know what I will do? I think I'm going to drop an assignment and then you guys can submit it on what is it called? on my Facebook account. Nelson Lazarus, that's my Facebook account. Nelson Lazarus. Or you can even submit it on the Nelson Learning Space page. No, that one is not active yet. So if you are here, just kindly follow me on what is it called on Facebook. That's why we'll be having our physical, sorry, our written kind of test and everything. Since YouTube is not really permitting many things that much. Okay, so let's learn this guy now. We have done our root, pent. We have done our suffix. That means finding the functional group, which is this in. Then the prefix is what? Plural and methyl. So let's number. According to rule number 1, we are supposed to number from here. Then rule number 2, also here. And rule number 3 is the strongest rule, which means the functional group area. So we have to start from here. So it's 1, 2. And you see it's 1, 2. From here is 1, 2, 3. It's not closer here than from here. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. So let's start from here. That will be what? Carbon 1, carbon 2, carbon 3, carbon 4, carbon 5. Right? So now, if that's the case, then let's bring it out. So chlorine. Chlorine is on what is it called, guys? Chlorine is on what carbon atom? What carbon atom is chlorine on? This is chlorine. What number what? Number 4. Good. Number 4. So that will be what? 4 fluoro. Right? Then methyl is on number what? Sorry. This is methyl. That's what? Number also what? Number 4. So 4 methyl pent. Then the bottom one is on number what? Carbon 1, carbon 2. It's on number 2. Pent 2 in. That's the answer. Is it clear? Is it showing for you? It's showing, don't worry, it's showing. Okay, so that's it. So 4 chloro, 4 methyl, pent 2 in. That's the compound. So I'm gonna give you a chance. Let me go to the WhatsApp and then check if people are saying it. So I want to rub the board. Let me just wait for you guys to assimilate this one before I read it off. We have 13 more minutes to go, guys. Okay, I'm going to rub the board now. I believe we should have all written it down. So we'll go for more examples. Okay, so let's do some work examples then. Sorry. Okay, this no, let me use black. Let's name this one CH3, CH3, CH2. Oh, sorry, let me do it this way. Hope the ball is showing fully, please. I want to see every single thing. Okay. I want to start from the simplest one. And listen up, please. If you're here and you're already good in these, this class is not for you. You can probably come back for other topics that are your own kind of headache. I am taking this class in a very simple way for whoever is not good in it in the first place. We're to do it. You get something here? So that's just it. That's just it. So please bear with me. Now let's use our PRS here. So what's our root? It's a very simple chain. 1, 2, 3, 4. That's 4 is what is boot. What is our S? There is no functional group, so it's in. Again, it's a functional group the other time now. You cannot say any double bond, no OH, no COH, no lights and the lights. You get? So and then what's our prefix? So this is our root. Sorry, this is our root here, our longest carbon chain. So that means these guys are our branch, right? Our prefix. And what is that? That's methyl. So when I say what? Methyl. So the next is to know where to number from, right? Are you numbering from here? We are numbering from here. So if you're looking at it, let's number from here and see. 1, 2, 3, 4. It means this guy is on number 3. But numbering from here is what? 1, 2, 3, 4. It means he's on number 2, right? So number 2 here, that means it's better with number from the west side. So it's 2 methyl. So what will it be? 2 methyl, right? So let's bring it out. That will be 2 methyl butane. Is it clear? Good. So let's try something more. I'm going to give 2 more examples and then, I don't know, let me give you guys a chance to assimilate these 2 and then we fly. Okay, enjoy it. I hope you're enjoying the class. If you're enjoying, I mean, that's just the major thing I really want to achieve, teach you guys passionately, you understand, you excel when you pass your exams, possibly. That's my main thing. Between now and tomorrow, I need to figure out how we can be able to get comment section. I don't know, probably I'll go live through Zoom and everything. Because if there's comment section, I can easily get feedback directly. If you're not hearing me, if you cannot see the board, anything like that, I'll be able to figure them out ASAP. So but today is just a test running. So thank you for being here with me. So I believe we're all done with this. So let me give 2 more examples. We name those ones and then we are closed for the day. So I'm not going to give a random compound. It doesn't mean it's existing. I just want to twist it to show if you can figure out the roots and the lights. You understand? It might not be a correct compound. It might not be an existing compound. I don't care. I just want to twist it and let's see if the rules. You guys understand that. You guys are able to figure it out. So number 2 will be here, and number 3 will be here. So let's see. That's CH3, C3, H7, Cl, C to H5. Like I said, this compound might not or does not even exist. And that is not the aim. The aim is just for me to see if I really understand the rules. Are you going to see something here? So I'm going to draw that one with, let me use black also. Probably it's going to be more easier. Yeah, so let's see this one too. Sorry. Now we have C, 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 COOH, C3, H7, C2. Now let's see if there is C, H3, DR, and then H. I think that's just it. So I think let's use this sample. Let's use to twist our brain. It doesn't really matter if the compound exists. I just want us to understand the rules. And let's name this one now. So our P, our R, our S. So let's check it now. Now it's a bit confusing, right? So the major thing is take it step by step. Like I said, a compound can exist in a linear form. For example process, your examiner might decide to turn it upside down. That's why you just want to see if you can figure out every single thing it's trying to twist for you. So look at it here. Let's find each of our chain here, guys. I'm going to use another color now. The blue. You get it now. If you're going like this, the chain is how many? 1, 2, 3, 4. Right? If you are going, that's 4, right? If you are going like this, the chain is how many? 1, 2. This is C2 here. Please don't get it confused. Let me write it again. If you are going like this, that's 1, 2, 3, 4. The chain is 4. If you are going like this, you can also go like this. That will be what? Let's see. Something like this. Chain is how many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. which means 5 is more longer. We have seen a longer chain. Now let's check if we can see a more longer chain. You know there's another one here. You can actually even go like this. This is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You can also go like this. This is 1, 2. Well, this is 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Another longer chain, 6. Now you can actually go like this also. It's just about chain. Chain means connection. Something like this. Is it connecting? Is it connected? That's what they call chain. Of course, no compound will be like this. Please, I'm just drawing it. No compound, but this is what they call chain. As long as it is connecting. You can't count 1, 2, 3, 4, come back. Nah, there's no connection. There's no chain here connecting it. Can you see? There's no chain. Do you get something here? So chain is all about what? Connection. So let's check. Let me go like this and see. And this is another color. For some of us that are like me, the dull ones like Nelson. Let's see this chain. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I think that's the longest. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. That's the longest. No chain is more longer than that. So our chain is what? 7. And 7 is what? 7 is hept. 7 is hept. Oh, sorry, not here, root. So I said our chain goes like this, right? This is how our chain goes. So if our chain goes like that, what's our suffix? I can't see any functional group, which means it is ane. I'm only seeing single bond. I'm not seeing OH, no COH, no double bond, no triple bond, no CN, no NH3. So our functional group is what? Ane. So now, if this is our chain, how many minutes do I have left? 3 more minutes. I've spent extra time. This is our chain. That means this is our branches. 1, 2. It goes like this. This was not counted, right? 3. So we have 3 branches. So this one is what? This is methyl. Yes. This is methyl. We have methyl. We have another methyl here. We have what? Chloro. Right? So let's number now. If the number for me is 1, 2, 3, 4, before we get to a branch. The number for me is 1, 2, 3, before we get to a branch. 1, 2, 3, before we get to a branch. So I mean 3 is the nearest, right? 3 and 4, which one is more nearer? 3, right? So number from here. So that will be what? That will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So this methyl is on number what? Number 3. Look at the bond here. This one is on number what? Number 4. And chlorine is on number what? Number 4. Can you see? So let's bring everything out now. That will be what? Let's start from here. Alphabetically. 4 fluoro, 3, 4. Sorry, there's no space there. Oh, 4 fluoro. Let me borrow this place. 4 fluoro, 3, 4 dimethyl heptane. We are done. Final answer. 2 more minutes. 2 more minutes. 2 more minutes. So that is just it. So like I said, there's no comment section for question. I really don't understand it yet. So but for tomorrow and the future classes, there'll be space for you to ask questions immediately. Not that I will now finish up and you know me to understand. But for today, let us bear with me, please. So let's look at our PRS here also. PRS. What's our root? If you go like this, our root is 1, 2, 3, 4. But there's another carbon here, so let's try to go like this. That's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 6 is more longer. So that's how it's 6. Root is what? 6. X. And then suffix is what? I can say a functional group here, COH. The functional group is here. And that COH is what? Is noic. Right? Is noic. Then the prefix. So if this is our root, longest carbon chain, that means what? This is our branch. 1 and 2. These are the ones that are not hydrated there. These are our 2 branches there. So let's write it out. CH3 is what? Methyl. And Br is what? Is bromo. So let's number. Rule number 3 say what? not from the functional group. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Right? That's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So in that case, Bobo is number what? Number 2. Metis is number what? See the bond here. Number what? 3. Good. Nice one, man. Nice one. 3. So let's go then. The person handling the camera is not even a science student. Okay, good. Let's fly, boy. So that will be. I think you're done with this one, right? I'm going to like rub it off. Um, and that will be. Let's bring it out now. I'm going to use green. So that will be. Let's start from the alphabetically. That's 2 row 3. Sorry. 2 row 3 methyl hexanoic. That's it. Is it clear enough? Yeah, 2 bromo 3 methyl hexanoic acid. Hey, sorry, acid. Hexanoic acid. I hope it's clear enough. So that's it, folks. That's it. I think we're done for the day, man. We're done. We have already 52 seconds past the normal hours. So let me just give you an assignment, ASAP, guys. Just do it. I don't know. I'm gonna drop a post tomorrow or something. You can drop it there as a comment in the comment section in my Nelson Learning Space account on Nelson Lazarus. Either of the two, I don't know yet. So thanks so much for being here. Don't forget to subscribe and possibly drop comments if there's a comment. And of course, our videos, our live partner is going to be constant from Mondays to Sundays. The time is not scheduled yet, but it's going to be constant. So while on that, let's just go straight and then let me give you an assignment, please. Something you can just get chew on, something very simple. And in the next chemistry class, we will learning all the things in organic chemistry, possibly, or move to another topic entirely. Like I said, all I know is in this space, all you'll be doing is what? Learning, excelling, and developing. So, assignment or take home, whatever you guys call it in your own department, whatever you call it in your school. Assignment number 1, name the following. Number 2. Okay, then number 3. I think those are enough. Yeah, yeah, I think those are enough. So yeah, so I mean that's the assignment. It's okay. Yeah, let me move the line so you can see it. 1, 2, 2. Number 1, number 2, and number 3. 3, okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, okay. 1, 2, okay. So this one 2. 2, okay. Yeah, okay. So that's just it. These are your assignments for now. So, guys, in the next, let me look at the time. 1 minute, 1 hour, 4 minutes. So it is 1 hour, 5 minutes on dot. The live class for today. And thank you so much for being with me. I seriously appreciate. Thank you so much. So let's have assignment. The date is yesterday was 23, right? Was already new day 23. No, I did that's today though. 23/03/25. The first day I hosted my first live class in this particular account. Wait, it's not time. I mean, maybe it's 10, maybe it's 05. I mean, so a few more seconds, folks. Four more seconds. Bye. Good night. Yep. Okay.